Hey, what's up, guys? I was sent these snake gaiters for free so I can check them out and let you know my opinion on them. So I just want to say up front that these are really high quality. The material, it's an Oxford waterproof material that's been really nice. It does a good job at keeping my legs dry. So that's really nice. It has this nice hard shell here that will go over your shin to protect it. So if there are snakes or anything that jump at you, you're protected. So that's really nice. And then I'll open up the back and show you. It has all of these different panels. I think there's 32 different panels, which is really good. Some other ones, they have less panels, and the significance of that is that these ones, having so many panels, it's able to easily wrap around and form to your leg better, where some of the other ones with less panels, it'll be maybe not quite as comfortable because they won't form as good. You're gonna have more flat surfaces. So that's a really good thing about these ones. So, and then you can see I have one on here already, and then I'll show you how I put the other one on. But again, this protects your shin. Then you have this over your shoe flap to protect the top of your foot there. And then I'll turn to the side so you can see these buckles, super easy. You have two, one at the top, one at the bottom to keep these on. And then you have like this belt loop type piece of rubber here that allows you to adjust how high these are. So if you have, you see I have on shoes, but if you were to wear boots, you might need to adjust that because it won't fit the same on your leg. So you have that, that's really nice. So I'll go ahead and just slip this on so you can see how easy it is. Okay, see, from the side, just slide your foot in. And then you see it has these really wide strips of Velcro. So you just, tuck them back and then pull the other flap over, situated on your leg. And then these adjustable clips here, you can see how much extra material there is. So I mean, they're super adjustable, so if you really want to open it up a lot, you can, but they also shrink down a lot. So super simple, lock them in, they stay nice and sturdy, and that's it for putting it on. And then, regardless if you're worried about snakes or if you just are worried about being in the brush or anything, it does a good job of protecting your legs from like thorns if you're walking through brush or anything like that. So they're made for snakes, but they do so much more. So to me, it's a super high quality product, and I really love them a lot.